Come to your tabletop position. We're going to do one side and then we're going to switch to do the other. And this time the foot's going to come off the floor. So last week we dragged that toe back. This week we're going to extend with the toe lifted. So exhale to extend, arm, opposite leg. Really think about rib cage and pelvis pulling closer together. Inhale, come back in. Keeping the hips level so we're not shifting up in that hip and we're not arching in the back. Go ahead and switch. Exhale to extend. Inhale back in.